Hey WeSo Health family! Welcome back to another episode of WeSo Health Tips, where we explore natural health wonders that help you live your best life. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a fruit that's not only delicious but packed with powerful nutrients, the Jamaican apple, also known as the Otaheite apple or Malay rose apple. This stunning fruit was introduced to Jamaica in 1793, thanks to Captain William Bligh. Yes, the same guy famous for the mutiny on the Bounty. Although it originally came from Malaysia, this fruit has become a staple in Jamaica. Now, let's dive into what makes this fruit a powerhouse for your health. The Jamaican apple is not just a treat, it's a health boost in every bite. Here's why. One of the best ways to keep your immune system strong is by eating fruits high in vitamin C, and this one delivers. It helps fight off colds, flu, and infections, keeping you feeling vibrant. This fruit contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports a healthy cardiovascular system. Since Otaheite apples have a high water content, they keep you hydrated and energized, especially in warm climates. Perfect for hot summer days. Packed with vitamin A and antioxidants, this fruit helps improve skin texture, boosts collagen production, and fights signs of aging. Want a natural glow? Start with the right foods. If you ever feel sluggish or tired, you might need an iron boost. This fruit contributes to healthy blood circulation, preventing anemia and giving you lasting energy throughout the day. Good digestion is the key to overall well-being. Thanks to its fiber content, the Jamaican apple helps promote gut health, easing digestion and preventing bloating. Calcium-rich foods help build strong bones and teeth, and this fruit is no exception. Keep your bones healthy with natural sources of calcium like this. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and plant compounds in this fruit help reduce inflammation, supporting joint health. One of the best things about Otaheite apples is their versatility. Let's talk about a few delicious ways to enjoy them. The simplest way? Bite right into it. Many Jamaicans enjoy it fresh, savoring its sweet and slightly tart flavor. Blend it with ginger, lime, and a little honey to create a refreshing, tropical drink. It's hydrating and bursting with vitamins. Want to preserve that sweetness? You can make jams or jellies for a nutritious spread. Some people use Jamaican apples to create pies, crumbles, and pastries. Dice it up and mix it with pineapple, mango, and coconut for a Caribbean-style fruit bowl. Did you know? The Jamaican apple changes color as it ripens, from bright red to deep, almost black. In Malaysia, this fruit is sometimes pickled or used in savory dishes. In Hawaii, it's called mountain apple and is commonly eaten raw or in fruit salads. Question for you. Have you ever tried Jamaican apples? How do you enjoy them? Drop a comment below. If you love this episode, show some love. Like this video if you want more natural health tips. Comment below with your favorite tropical fruit. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. See you next time, WeSo Health family. Stay healthy, happy, and holistic.